Bharat Electronics Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with Aeronautical Development Agency, under which both parties will design and develop the internal weapons bay and other line replaceable units for the AMCA 5.5 generation stealth fighter jet. Adani Defense has started delivery of 4 km range UAV-launched precision-guided munition to the Indian Army. After his return from China, Maldives' president has made another indirect jab at India, saying that nobody has license to bully Maldives, and that the Indian Ocean does not belong to any specific country. 2 Italian firms are providing cyber attack training to Pakistani army officers in Rome, and surprisingly, the 2 Italian firms are also working in India from an office in Delhi. Indian Army has awarded a contract to Pune-based firm for advanced drone pilot training of 20 officers from the Army's Northern Command NJNK. After deployment in the Eastern Front, the Indian Army has deployed new MRSAM units on the Western Front. The Indian Air Force has opted for ERJ-145 aircraft for its 6 upgraded Netra MK1A program, as the ERJ-145 is much cheaper and is readily available in significant numbers in the used market. Indian Army has inducted 120 mm Spanish Alakran mobile mortar system, mounted on Mahindra Armado armored light specialist vehicle. The Army have reportedly bought 50 units under emergency procurement under Buy Indian category. The light specialist vehicle can deploy the mortar and aim the target in less than 30 seconds, and after each shot, the mortar re-aims in less than 5 seconds, and before the first round hits the target, the light specialist vehicle has left to another position, so that the enemy can't track it. The Army has also equipped the Armado armored light specialist vehicle with Spike LR 5th generation advanced anti-tank missile. Andhra Pradesh-based Bhairav Robotics has released technical specifications of its Shvana armed unmanned ground vehicle. It has a speed of 1.5 meters per second, weighs 30 kilograms without payload, a range of 8 kilometers, and an endurance of 2 hours. It can operate autonomously, semi-autonomously and manual mode, and its advanced software algorithms analyzes real-time audio and video feeds, coupled with sensor data, to identify and classify threats both within and beyond line of sight. The Indian multi-role helicopter project is poised to take off, as the Cabinet Committee on Security meeting for project approval is expected in the coming week. Hindustan Aeronautics and French firm Safran has already started development of the engine for the helicopter program. The Army and Air Force has a requirement for 300 units, while the Navy has a requirement of 70 units of deck-based variant. Today's top 3 comments.